VM. In a recent video, I showed an Apache Web Server being set up for ethical hacking. This is hosted on a cloud service called Linode, which is shown on screen. I have created a Kali Linux VM for this, as it is going to be attacking the Windows laptop. It has now booted up. We can SSH to the root user using a command prompt on our Windows device. To be able to remote access the Windows laptop from our Kali Linux device using NETCAT, we must host the nc.exe file on our Kali Linux machine that is going to be running Apache web hosting. We have copied this file to the var/www/html folder. Using the locate command, we can now see it has been successfully moved. From here, we can now start up the Apache Web Server, so it is a live hosting server on the internet. This is where the nc.exe file is going to be copied to the Windows box from. It will be using a command called CURL that we will get to in a bit. For now, we are just starting up the Apache service, which on this screen you can see is now running successfully. We can test this by bringing up a browser and visiting the HTTP version of the IP address of the Kali Linux server. It shows a default Apache 2 server page with Debian, so we have confirmed the server is alive and now hosting the netcat.exe file. To begin the reverse shell process, we log into the Kali Linux server and start the listening service using nc-nvlp. On the Windows machine, we are going to use a curl command as shown. Curl is a command line tool for getting or sending data including files. It has just downloaded the nc.exe file from our Kali web server, as you can see in the output. The last command is the netcat command issued by a hacker if he had placed the code on your laptop, or if you had walked away from your desk without locking the laptop. However, as you can see, Norton Antivirus has saved the day. It has blocked our reverse shell. Let this be a warning to always keep your virus software up to date and do not leave your laptop unlocked.
Thanks for watching an easy-to-follow tutorial by the G-Man channel. Like, share and subscribe. See you again soon.